Misamis University congratulates the new civil engineers who passed the recent licensure examination given by the Philippine Regulation Commission last December 2014. Congratulations to Engineer Norman A. Antequina of Manukan, Zamboanga del Norte, Engineer Christopher Ryan Balhon, son of Mr. and Mrs. Romeo Balhon of Tabid, Misamis Occidental, Engineer Richelle D. Barrientos, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Gloria Barrientos of Tudela, Misamis Occidental, Engineer Melody D. Baterna, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Dennis Baterna of Aguada, Ozamis City, Engineer Jenny Rose A. Burata, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Felix Burata of Santa Cruz, Ozamis City, Engineer John Maynard B. Calubag, son of Mr. and Mrs. Vernie Calubag of Aluran, Misamis Occidental, Engineer Mary Grace A. Senio, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Justino Senio of Tudela, Misamis Occidental, Engineer Benson O. De Gracia, son of Mr. and Mrs. Benjamin De Gracia of Sultan Naga di Mapuro, Lanao del Norte, Engineer John Paul A. Galvez, son of Mr. and Mrs. Policapo Galvez of Tudela, Misamis Occidental, Engineer Christian Ram O. Gonzalez, son of Mr. and Mrs. Ramiro Gonzalez of Labason, Zamboanga del Norte, Engineer Ariel V. Ocampos, son of Mr. and Mrs. Alfredo Ocampos of Buenavista, Agusan del Norte, Engineer Daryl J. P. Peggy, son of Mr. and Mrs. June Adam Peguis of Baybay Triunfo, Ozamis City, and Engineer Risa J. Retuerto, daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Juan Retuerto of Mahayag, Zamboanga del Sur. Congratulations! We are proud of you. Greetings from the administration, faculty, staff, students, and alumni. Misamis University, educating for the future.